Happy New Year! Get it? Because it's August and I'm a teacher. I know, that was nerdy. Here we go, let's plan. All right, so since I said Happy New Year, I thought we would use some of the New Year stickers from the Retro Holidays book for my monthly. I do need to put in dates. This is going to be interesting because I am running out of date dots, and I like to use these guys for my during the week. So I may be writing in numbers. I'll have to look into getting some more dates. I just thought it would be really fun and funny to do a New Year spread for back to school. I liked these. Happy New Year. So let's see, how do we want to do this? I think maybe these go to the top. Is that going to cover up too much? That might cover up too much. I didn't think about that. Could I put I still think I want to do it. Or I guess I could do it this way, like a curtain. Okay, this is where things get very tricky. And we have to really decide some things. Or do I see if I have any days of the week I can put to cover up? I'm sure I do. I'm certain somewhere in my stash of stickery goodness, I can find some days of the week. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I used to have some. This is looking questionable. I might have to rethink some things. I have lots of months. What else is here? What's hiding behind here? Freebies. Oh dear. Well, I guess I know what things I need to pick up when I make my list of stickery goodness things I need. All right, so let's readjust. Let's rethink. I really kind of want to put this up here, but I am going to need to make sure I can see the days of the week. So do I move it up and cut a little bit off? I could do that. Holly, you could do that. That would work. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Who knew that you had to like give so much like pep talk during a planner video? And I could use this one, maybe layer it this way. First, let's take the big sticker and decide where he's going. Don't mind that there, but I feel like maybe this one needs to go like this. And if that's the case, I can make that work a little bit more. Oh, the puppers. I think we'll do that. Then we can trim some more off of there. These are Lights Planner Action inserts, by the way, that I use in my planner. And these are the printable ones. She does like where she'll ship you the the layout, but I choose to do printables because then I have them forever and ever and ever. Add that shrapnel there. I don't know, that's looking a little funny, but I think we'll survive. I think we will. It's the first time in a long time I'm not using a monthly like kit that is specific. I like the diamonds. Maybe we cut them apart and add a little, I don't know. I might have just gone a little overboard, but that's okay. It's okay. This one will work because he's a side sticker, and we can add this one up there. Yeah, I like that. Diamonds, I should find a spot for you, but right now, let's just put you back where you go in here. When they're paper stickers, I'm always scared I'm not going to get them right back where they go, but that's okay. I do have August stickers. I do have that. Let's use, this is August sticker from Exo Mama Plan. I'm just going to put it right here. August. And then, I think I'm going to just write the numbers in. So give me a moment and I will come right back. Just one thing. All right, so that part is done. And I think what we'll do here is we will grab the Happy New Year balloon. That's going to cover up Sunday just slightly, but I think we'll be okay. And the party popper. Two kinds of party poppers, so we can use both of them. And then we still have some stars we can, oh, I like the little sparkler too. Woohoo! Put that one right there. Maybe the pink stars here. The orange stars are rather large. Let me see, do I have other stars? Oh, not quite. So I do have this fun smiley, but he'll be big. Let's put one of the other sparklers. We'll just, no, he's kind of big too. We'll wait. We'll wait and see. Totally fine. All right, let's start working on functional stuff. So there's not really any functionals in there. I do want to look real quick to see if I saved my leftover stickers inside a little folder, a little pocket folder in my Happy Planner, because sometimes I'll use leftovers to decorate, what's it called? I'll use leftovers to decorate my journaling pages, which I don't really show on here. This is from the Hawaii kit. I think I could use these. These would be good. So let's do, I like the pink. So we're going to do, this is the actual first day of school right there. And then let's find, that one's a little too much. Let's do, what can I do here? The yellows would work. Anything orange? We got pinkies. We'll do this one. This is the first teacher day back. First teacher day. if you are a teacher, how are you getting ready for the school year? I know some are already back. I have a teacher friend who lives farther down the state, and they're already back in session, and that is what it is. I'm glad I still have like this week and next week, and then it's back. First day with students. All right, let's put a flag on the 13th because that is going to be that's going to be back to school night. That looks weird to me probably because of the flags for the numbers. That's probably why it looks weird to me. We'll use, oh, I like the glasses. All right, we do have doctor's appointment on the 6th. I'm very this side heavy with my schedule for August. Let's use, do I have another boxy box I could use? You know, a boxy box. Do I have a purple somewhere? We do. I have a purple. I can use the purple. This is definitely a use up your sticker spread. I think that is it. I'm going to double check real quick. I have already written in like appointments and stuff. This is what's going to be my teacher planner, and it's a Hobonichi Weeks. So I already wrote in August appointments, and that's it. That's what I got. Everything else is just kind of extras at the moment. So that's kind of nice. All right, let's add a little more deco. Oh, you know what? I do have, I want to say Sharpie's groomer appointment's the 17th, but I don't have that yet. Like, I have it downstairs. I didn't write that one down. So to add more blue to the spread though, the 15th is dog day. So I know we've got some random colors in here, but it's all good. I gotta remember to give Sharpie and Jules their monthly heartworm, flea, tick stuff. We just lovingly call it dog day. Dog day. Anything else? I don't think so. All right, so let's go back to some stickers and we will call it good. I'm not gonna fill out I know I usually fill out the tasks and habits. I'm not gonna fill it out on this video. I may do a separate one while I'm watching all of the Olympic goodness where I voice over it later. I feel like that's gonna be something that happens this week where I'm just like, I'm gonna film things, and I really like this guy here. I'm gonna cut him off. And it's gonna be okay. It is, it's gonna be okay. All right, we've got scissors right here. I really like the little bug. It doesn't like my scissors though. It happens. I'll probably go into my school building that either during that week of the 1st, which is the week I'm filming on right now, or the following week. We just never have enough time on teacher work days to do the stuff I want to get done in my building. So I'd rather go in early and feel successful. Get off there. Thank you. I should put my reading stuff, what kind of reading challenges I want to do. Let's find something for that. I am behind, friends. I am behind on my reading challenges, but it's okay. I'll be back into having some, what's it called? Audiobooks. There we go. Audiobooks. And that will help out a little bit too. Because I've tried over the summer to not read or not to listen to audiobooks, so that I was really using the physical books. But when I'm back to commuting, you know, driving every day, I really do like having, not that one. I really do like having audiobooks on. I was chatting about this with some of the music teachers at the FAME conference, and for me, I just was like, you know, sometimes I just need to not hear music, and that sounds so weird, but my head just needs a break. I think it's because I listen to music all day, every day, and sometimes you just need to not hear it. So there's that. I just want like a little quarter box. Do I have a little quarter box somewhere? And my little reading girl. I need my little reading girl. Need is questionable. Oh, let's see. Okay, hang on. We have the big bookish. Oh, we could use the reading this month. Let's do that. Why not? I don't mind layering it with this. Looks like Reading Rainbow. Reading this month. And I'll make that list too. I think that's gonna do it, friends. A cute little back to school New Year's spread for the month of August. I think it's really fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my fun videos, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you all in the next one.